Your English is not bad. Your confidence is. One introduction can decide your job, your respect, your future. Today, you'll learn how one simple introduction can change your life. Every day, millions of people watch English videos, but never speak. They think English must be perfect. It doesn't. Opportunities don't reject you. Silence does. What if I make a mistake? What if they laugh at me? Fear feels powerful until you speak. English is not about grammar. It's about courage. Most successful people speak simple English. They make mistakes and still succeed. Perfect English impresses. Confident English connects. Start small. Start strong. Hello, my name is Alex. I am from Manchester, United Kingdom. I am a student. I work in an office. I am learning English to change my future. Now say it all together. Hello, my name is Alex. I am from Manchester, United Kingdom. I work in an office. I am learning English to improve my life. That's not just English. That's confidence. People don't remember your grammar. They remember your confidence. One introduction can open many doors. Now it's your turn. Write your introduction in the comments. This is not practice. This is progress. Confidence does not come after English. English comes after confidence. Speak broken English, but never live a broken dream. Here's a truth nobody tells you. People who judge your English were never your competition. Your future understands you, even when your English is not perfect yet. One introduction, one decision, one new life.